Come to Dubai!
Come to Dubai!
I'm so lit right now. Okay, okay, okay.
Oh my god.
Wow. Is it heavy?
No, I'm just trying to figure it out.
Oh.
With my hair down.
It looks good with your hair up though.
Yeah, it's really good to hair up.
Absolutely.
Oh.
Absolutely. Too.
They're heavy. These wings are heavier than the headpiece.
I don't know if she gonna get them. That's gorgeous.
So there's this section right here. So I tried this one on. It's a no, but it's still pretty.
They say nobody wears white either.
Whoa. This is a pantsuit, and it is stunning, gorgeous.
We're gonna take a group picture first.
How was that?
No, stop. So turn your body just a little bit more forward. And make sure it's a little bit higher up on those hips.
Something that I also do in my community, I'm a part of Next Beverly Hills Committee.
Perfect. Both really great, strong examples. Are you an entrepreneur? If so, tell us about it.
If I didn't mention the book already,
Yeah.
then I'll mention it here.
Then you'll mention it.
Does it actually?
I'm riding.
Oh, I thought you said the name said Carmen. Just got our boarding passes. Total, we have about 14 bags. These two are the craziest because we got this one from the costume sponsor, and then this is for my part 2 of my costume. All of these white luggages are sponsored by iFly. Okay, so we have gotten through security. Now we are gonna take some more pictures. I've been taking pictures with a lot of people in the airport, which has been so amazing and crazy and surreal. So I'm going to change fits because, you know, can't wear this all right. Mission accomplished. It changed. That's smooth.
What is this? Cheesecake.
to compete officially until the 3rd, and that is on Thursday, and today is Monday. So I have a few days, not too many, to kind of explore Dubai and take some pictures, visit some of the places that I've been recommended to, and then on the 3rd I will be sharing a room with another contestant, and that's when the competition week starts. And I'm trying to figure out what outfit to go with. This is the blue outfit that I could do. Cute, classy. Or we have a white one. This was the white one. I kind of like the blue more. I totally forgot to mention, but huge shout out to this cafe in the Dubai Mall. They approached me when I was in the food court and they wanted me to try some things on their menu. So they gave me some free food, some free drinks, and they even provided for my entire family. The food and the drinks were amazing, so make sure you go check them out if you're ever in Dubai. Coffee. Also, picture with you.
Oh, look.
Oh, he's getting in the selfie.
He did.
Mexico, Peru, Malaysia, India, Costa Rica, Cambodia, Brazil, Canada, Venezuela, South Africa, USA, Bolivia, Chile, USA.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, so it's kind of dark to vlog, but I just got some food. I got cucumbers, a little bit of pasta, 7-Up.
In my bag.
So I'm with the girls.
At dinner.
I'm with the girls.
Okay. So it is our last.
One of our last rehearsals. I think we have one tomorrow.
Yeah.
One of our last rehearsals before the final show tomorrow, which is gonna go by actually way quicker
Yeah.
than I expected because it's not like each girl has a longer walk. So
But tomorrow, one of us sitting here is gonna be the next Miss Teen Universe. Can't believe it. After tomorrow, I'm gonna see her every day.
You know what I thought about, like, after tomorrow?
Yeah.
Like, when's the next time we're all gonna really see each other again? You know what I'm saying? Like, we all live in different countries.
Literally,
like,
every one of us, like, none of us stay in the same country.
No.
So it's not like,
It's not like
I'll
I'm
see you
I'll drive to your house.
No, like we all.
No, you're not. Yup. Say hello. Say hello. Okay. Okay.
Quick question, everyone.
Oh, this can go on at the end. I'll just do that. I'll go
That one?
Yeah, thank you.
These two, like it looks symmetrical in the back, but these two are
You're fine. So right now I'm waiting for my Miss Teen Universe interview. It's gonna happen in like a few minutes. So we're back and I'm here with Egypt. I'm here with Chile. I'm also here with Nepal and South Africa.
When you're wearing Paris Hilton's dress,
May we all rise for the national anthem. What's the second line? By the dawn, by the dawn. This is the calm before the storm. So like
Literally.
we really need
Because
to
once the show starts, it starts. Okay. Okay, so right now we just finished taking some pictures by this beautiful, it's the buildings. We're gonna have dinner and stay tuned for some more events.
No, come back.
No!
What is that? Sorry?